showing him the ball, speeding down the street, and my car. I'm speeding down the street, and my car. I'm driving in my drive. Driver. Drive. Look, I'm going for the ride. I'm going to work.
You're going to work?
Bye, Mama.
Bye, Ari.
Bye. See you later.
See you later. I
Don't
love
close
you.
the door now, okay? You have to sit. You have to sit. Mom, you have to sit with me.
You gonna drive me?
Yeah.
Where are we gonna go?
You're gonna go to Fresno.
Fresno?
No, we're gonna go to the neighborhood.
Where?
Neighborhood.
What's that?
Let's go to the neighborhood. Sit.
Okay.
Sit, Mama. Then, when you sit, then I can close the door. Close the door, then you sit. Yeah. So, we're gonna go to the North Mountain. Okay?
To the North Mountain?
Yeah, we're hiding.
Okay.
Be quiet. Oh! What's wrong, baby elephant? Don't make sound voices. Okay. But Nathan is sleeping. Okay. I might make some noise, but Nathan is sleeping. Okay. I'm gonna be making sound noises.
Okay.
Fuck herself. Let's get this. Oh, you have to get the buckle seat up. I have to get it. Me up. Hey, get this. Mama, how come this work? This work is not. Can you get this out?
No, it doesn't come out. You have to pull so you can buckle it over there. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Keep pulling.
Mom, get this?
No, it stay there. You have to pull more. Yep, pull more. Okay, say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, camera.